In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack with QR code. Start by opening Slack in your browser and signing in to your workspace. Once you're in, look to the top left of the screen and click your workspace name. That opens a menu with a few useful options. From there, choose Open the Desktop app. If the desktop app is already installed, your computer will switch you over. If it's not installed yet, that's fine. This flow still works from the browser, but the option is there to make desktop access easier in the future. Next, in Slack, find and click Get the Mobile app. This brings up information about using Slack on your phone. Go ahead and select Download the Slack mobile app. Slack will display a QR code on your screen, along with a short note explaining that scanning it will take you to the right place to download the app for your device. Now, pick up your phone and open the camera or your built-in QR scanner. Point it at the QR code on your computer screen. Most modern phones recognize the code immediately and show a link. If your screen is dim, increasing the brightness can help the camera lock onto the code. Tapping the link sends you straight to the correct store page, Google Play on Android or the App Store on iPhone, so you don't have to search manually or worry about the official listing. Download and install the Slack app on your phone. When it finishes installing, open the app and sign in with the same credentials you use on the web or desktop. If your organization uses single sign-on, you'll be guided through that securely. Once you're in, your phone is now connected to the same workspace as your computer, and everything stays in sync automatically. Back on your computer, close the mobile app window by clicking the small X to return to your main Slack view. To see the sync in action, open a channel. Let's use one called All Test for this demo. Click into the message box at the bottom of the channel, type a simple message like, "Hello," and send it. Within a second or two, you should see a notification on your phone, and the same message will appear there in the channel. That near-instant update is exactly what you can expect day to day. Messages, reactions, threads, files, and edits all reflect across devices in real time. A quick overview of the phone app will help you get comfortable right away. The Home tab shows your channels and direct messages, just like on desktop. Tap a channel to read and reply, add an emoji reaction, or start a thread. Mentions and activity help you catch up on anything directed at you, so you never miss an important update. Search is powerful on mobile too. Type a keyword to find messages, files, or people across your workspace. If you're in more than one workspace, you can switch between them from the workspace switcher in the app header. Notifications on mobile mirror what you configure on desktop. If you only want alerts for direct messages and mentions, set that preference once and it carries over. Do not disturb schedules are respected across devices, so you can keep focus time consistent. If your device asks for notification or camera permissions during setup, that's normal and enables features like alerts and scanning future QR codes. And that's it. You opened Slack, found the mobile app option, scanned the QR code to get the correct download, installed the app, signed in, and confirmed everything syncs by sending a message from your computer and seeing it on your phone. With both desktop and mobile connected, you can move seamlessly between devices and stay up to date wherever you are.